Let's rank Filipino desserts, or should I say, pampatigas. Okay, first up is kuchinta. I love kuchinta so much, especially when you put yema on top. You know what I mean, right? Oh my gosh. Coconut is also good. Love kuchinta, but it's not my favorite. So we're gonna put it at number 6. Okay, what's next? What is that? Fruit salad! Not really the biggest fan of fruit salad, especially when there's that nasty cherry on top. Cherry on top, cherry on top. Yeah, no, this is my least favorite. Sorry. What's next? Wait, what is that? Is that biko? I know exactly what this is. It's not biko. It's kind of like biko. It's more caramel. I love this. I forgot what it's called, you guys. What is this called? Anong tawag dyan? I don't know what it is, but I fucking love this. Let's put it number 5. I'm getting hungry. Macaroni salad! Pambansang handa tuwing Pasko at New Year. I love macaroni salad, especially kung walang pasas. I like it when there's no pasas. I love it with itlog pugo. I like it with cheese. I'm gonna put this at number 3. Nagutom ako. Leche flan! Yes! Leche flan! Aray, ba't ako tumatalbog? Leche flan is my favorite. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna put it at number 1. I can never not eat leche flan. If there's leche flan in front of me, best believe I'm gonna eat it. Kaya siguro may diabetes sa pamilya ko, no? Diabetes? Number one. Next is sapin. I also love sapin, especially with the thing on top. Let's put it number 7. So tuloy ng sapin ngayon. What is that? Is that Maha Salvador? I would eat this. I just don't crave it. Di ko siya kinikrave. Kinikrave? Ako lang ba? I'm gonna put Maha Salvador on number 9. Sorry, te. Mango float! Oh my gosh. Number 2. Ayan, favorite ko yan. All of these things are my favorite. Mga paborito ko to. This is my favorite. Oh my gosh. I wish I put this at number 3. This is top tier Filipino dessert. I love bilo-bilo. I want bilo-bilo right now. I want a warm, sticky bilo-bilo. Ang chalat! Number 4 yan, pero number 3 dapat. Halo-halo! See, I like halo-halo, pero pag may beans, girl, but my beans. Ano to? I like Chowking halo-halo. I like Bebang's halo-halo. I just like it when there's a lot of ube and ice cream and leche flan and ice and yumminess. So yeah, we're gonna put it number 8. Actually, this is actually perfect. Oh my gosh, nagutom ako. Gusto ko ng leche flan. What are you guys' favorite Filipino pampatigas?